Hello, good morning, students. And we are studying chapter first of science, crop production and management. And before this, I taught you fifth, sixth method of the crop production and management, weeding and harvesting. And here is the last method, last step is storage. Last step is the storage. Last process of crop production and management is the storage. It is the seventh step of crop production, storage. So if a farmer doesn't do properly, his entire hard work has gone waste. यदि कोई फार्मर इतना प्रोसेस करने के बाद में प्रॉपरली स्टोर नहीं करता, इफ फार्मर डजंट प्रॉपर स्टोर, सो हिज ऑल एफर्ट, हिज इंटायर एफर्ट्स हैज़ गॉन वेस्ट. उसके जो भी इफेक्ट होते हैं दैट हैज़ गॉन बी वेस्टेड. पूरे एफर्ट जो है उसके वो वेस्ट हो जाते हैं. सो properly make sure there is to store, farmers have to store his crop properly. farmers को अपनी crop है उसे proper store करना है in granaries. so storage of where grains are kept, where grains are stored is known as granary, this is called granary. So a granary is a dry little house like structure. Granary is a dry house like structure where grains are kept, जहाँ grains को रखा जाता है, and where grains are stored, जहाँ पर grains को store किया जाता है. where farmer stored all his grains, जहाँ पर farmers अपनी store करता है, जितनी भी grains है उसकी उससे store करता है. So in a small scale, farmers store in a small scale grains can be stored in jute bags. Jute bags and metallic bins. So farmers used to store his grains can be used jute bags, and metallic bins also can be used to store grains. metallic bins को भी grains को store करने के लिए यूज़ किया जा सकता है. so in larger scale silos and granary, as I told you that farmers used to store his grains use granaries. So in a large scale of crop production, grains are stored in silos and granaries. and silos में स्टोर किए जा सकते हैं. कैन बी स्टोर्ड इन silos and granaries. silos में and granaries में स्टोर किए जा सकते हैं. सो granary is the where stock of jute bags. granary is the place where stock of jute bags का स्टॉक किया जा सकता है in a large scale. stock of jute bags full of grains in a large scale. लार्ज स्केल पे ग्रेनरीज में जूट बैग्स को स्टोर किया जा सकता है. So farmers can be stored in a small scale. Jute bags are used and metallic bins are used, and in a large scale silos and granary both are used, and granary where the stock of jute bags full of grains in a large scale में granaries में jute bags में crops को fill करके रखा जाता है. So and as I told you, storage is the most important process of this chapter, crop production and management. So you should make sure that, and farmer should make sure that his crops should be well protected. जो crops है should be well protected from rodents. Rodents क्या होते हैं? Rodents biting insect or animals, like as moles, mice, lichens, all small insect that can be spoiled your crop, जो आपकी crop को spoil कर सकते हैं. So crop should be well protected from rodents. It should be protected from rain. It is very very important that crop should be protected from rain, because it spoiled grains and all efforts has been gone waste. जो भी efforts होंगे वो waste हो जाएंगे. So it is very very important part of this chapter, storage. So crops should be protected from rain. crops को rain से भी protect होना चाहिए. You should have direct if crops need to dried, यदि उसे dryness की need है तो you should have direct access of sunlight. आपको डायरेक्ट जो सनलाइट की एक्सेस है उसे डायरेक्ट क्रॉप तक पहुंचानी चाहिए. So all these steps should be taken. All these steps should be well protected from rodents, insects and pest attacks. And very very important part, it should be protected from rain also. rain से भी चाहिए. If crop needs to dryness, so access of sunlight की भी access should be sunlight की access भी होनी चाहिए. So these all steps should be taken care while the crops used to stop farmers used to stock grains. farmers को grains को store करने के लिए these should be taken care. These steps should be take care of his crops. So because this is one of the most important process, of crop production. So these all are steps cleared, and I am going to tell you whole summary of this chapter. So first you read that here is the seventh most important step of crop production. So our first step is preparing of soil. It is the first and most important of So in preparing of soil needs plowing and tilling for uncover the upper level of soil. जो अपर लेवल है उसे अनकवर करने के लिए लूजन द सॉइल. These tools can be used plow, hoe and cultivator. It is the first step has been completed, and second step is the sowing seed. So for sowing seed there is the two process. One is traditional and second is the machine. So traditional method is done by traditional method and machine method. Sowing seed, traditional method with the help of funnel. Sow the seed. Seeds are sown, and with the seed drill. Seeds are grown. And third step is the adding manure and fertilizers. Third step, adding manure and fertilizers. Adding manure and fertilizer. Manure, two kinds of manure: organic manure and natural manure. Fertilizers: organic or inorganic, both. Chemical fertilizers that rich in nitrogen, like as urea, fertilizers: organic, inorganic, natural, synthetic, or rich in particular nutrients. So natural and synthetic and rich in nutrients, like as nitrogen, phosphorus are. And here is the fourth step: irrigation. So irrigation can be done with two types: traditional method and modern method. Traditional method with the help of mode, chain pump and dhekli, and last one is rahat. These are traditional method, and modern method is sprinkler and drip irrigation. And after that, fifth step is weeding. Fifth step is weeding. Weeding can be done with the help of khurpi. Weeding can be done with the help of khurpi, seed drill, or spraying 2,4-D. And spraying 2,4-D. And after irrigation, after weeding, sixth step is the harvesting. Harvesting are done manual with the help of sickle. Manually with the help of sickle and harvester. And threshing can be done with manual or with the help of thresher. And here is some little space. So harvesting, sixth step of crop production and management. So harvesting can be done manually. Manually मतलब with the help of sickle. And second one is the machine. By machine. So machine is the harvester. And threshing can be done manually and with the help of thresher. And thresher and harvesting and threshing can be done with combined machine. Harvester and thresher. Last step is the storage. Storage in a small scale can be stored jute bags and metallic bins. And in a large scale, in silos and granaries. And it should be protected with the rodents and insect and pest attacks, and it should be also protected from rain, and where if crops needs dryness, so access of sunlight. So here is the all about crop production. Our remaining part is animal husbandry, which I tell you tomorrow.